everyone, so today I would show you how you can download Brave in your computer. So let's start. So first of all, we will open any browser. Now here we will search Brave. So we need to click on the first link, and now here you need to click on download Brave. So let us open the setup. Let me minimize this window. So let's wait for the Brave to be installed. So it has been installed. Let me close this and let's maximize this. So now here let me do these things. Now you can see the Brave has been installed in your computer. Thank you.